Mastering the art of, I was hoping. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our conversational English series. Today, we're going to delve into the use of a very common, yet intriguing phrase, I was hoping. This phrase is often used to make indirect requests and offers, making your English sound more polite and natural. We'll specifically focus on using, I was hoping, with, to. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the structure of, I was hoping, let's understand why we use it. I was hoping is an excellent way of expressing a polite request or suggestion. It gives a more tentative tone to your request, hence sounding less direct and more courteous. For example, instead of saying, "Can you pass the salt?" which can sound a bit abrupt, you might say, "I was hoping you could pass the salt." Here, "I was hoping" softens the request and adds an element of politeness. Now let's discuss the specific structure of I was hoping sentences combined with to. The general structure looks like this. I was hoping to plus verb in base form plus rest of the sentence. Here, the to is followed by a verb in its base form, which refers to the action you're hoping will happen. Let's illustrate this with a few examples. 1. I was hoping to catch a movie later. 2. I was hoping to finish the project by next week. 3. I was hoping to discuss your recent performance. These examples show that you have a desire or intention to do something. But remember, this is a polite and indirect way of expressing it. Alright, now, it's time to put theory into practice. Here are some situations where you can use, I was hoping, with, to. Try to create your own sentences. 1. You want to talk to your boss about a raise. 2. You want to invite a friend to a concert. 3. You want to suggest to your family a vacation trip. Remember, the key here is practice. The more you use it, the more natural it will become. And that wraps up our discussion on, I was hoping, with, to. It's an incredibly useful phrase that will enhance your English communication by making it more polite and natural. Keep practicing, and remember, we learn languages not just to communicate, but also to connect. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!